Hi, this is Michelle Cherriez, a learning facilitator at Highlands, and this is just a brief video to describe how to use the immersive reader or the read aloud function. They're actually the same thing. So if you go to your online version of Microsoft, I had a document open here. I don't know where it went to. Here we go. OneDrive. Here it is, excuse me, I'm sorry. Adolescent screen time and 4 charts. Okay, so here's this nice little article students might be required to read to look at some data. So the first thing to do is notice, right, this is the online version. We'll look at the desktop app in a minute. Here we are on the home screen. Go down to the view screen, Click on view, and then you have two choices here, reading view and immersive reader. I'd like to put it already into reading view because it just sort of simplifies the document already for students, okay? And then the immersive reader is also available there, okay? So then you click on immersive reader. Once you're in the immersive reader, there are many changes. You don't have to go back to the ribbon to make some changes about the document. You can increase the text size. You can increase or decrease the spacing between the words. You can change the font to something that's a little more visually simple for students. You can change the contrast. Some kids with visual disabilities need something a little softer on their eyes. There's lots of colors here to pick, okay? And then other changes you can do, I don't know, for English teachers, maybe you want to know, highlight all the nouns. Okay, we don't need that today. And then the line focus, we can focus on 2, 3, 1, as many lines, a few lines at a time. Okay, and we can turn that off. We can turn it off if we want to read the whole document. Okay, so then when we want to go, just
Adolescent Screen Time in 4 Charts by Lenny Bernstein, July 9th, 2014. To no one's surprise.
Okay, so then once you want to go back to the main document, click back. You're going to click back up here. I'm going to take a look at that document again, sorry. And then we're going to open in the full desktop app. It looks a little different, but the functionality really is the same. All right, so we've got this different reader view. Again, we're on the home screen tab. We're going to go over to the view. All right, and so for here, focus, we can focus it like this also right there on that main screen. And then you click back. All right, so going back to that, open in that document, sorry. Here we go. I don't know why it does that when you do the focus, and it's hard to get back to the main screen. All right, so here we're going to go back into the view. And here we are in our immersive reader. And then we have all the same choices. Custom width. We can make the columns very narrow. We can make the columns very wide. We can change the page color. Okay, more colors. We can change the line focus to none or some. We can text spacing, space it out a little bit. We can do the syllables, text spacing, excuse me. Syllables, I think that was on already. You can break it into syllables. And then you have the read aloud.
Adolescent Screen Time in 4 Charts.
Here, to turn it on and off, you hit the read aloud. You don't have the arrow that you do on the online version. Or of course you can go over here, I guess. You can pause it and then go.
No one's surprise. Adolescents spend
all right, and then you can close the immersive reader when you're done. Obviously, if students want to read this stuff in the classroom, they should have headphones or all right. Also, that we have this dictate function, which I'm really going to talk to you about in a different video, but if in case you're looking, it's also the dictate is right here on this part of the ribbon. All right, so I hope you can use the read aloud or immersive reader. They're the same thing. This, I don't know why they have two things. But I guess that read aloud is just really a direction during the immersive reader. Both those things are available to students in either the online version of Word or the desktop version. Thanks.